Good afternoon, students. Welcome to third day of Fundamentals of Internet topics. And the previous two sessions we discussed very fundamentals in Internet, and we completed 5 topics: data, communication and characteristics, and second one is types of networking, and third one is viruses and its types, and the fourth one is what are the major hardware requirements of maintaining networking. And in this unit, this is our last topic, that is browser and types of browsers. So if you want to work with an internet in any time, mandatory to know about the web browser in a computer system, because if you want to access any of them information through internet, we send a request to the proper server into another computer system, and the server is respond and send your proper answer into your computer system. So if you want to send a request and the server is respond to send an answer, in between we need to maintain a proper application software is required into our computer system. So the software application is called a web browser. So a browser, or simply called a browser or web browser, anything is right, is a software application, because the proper software is not installed into your computer system, we can't possible to access any other computer information into your computer system. That's why this is a software application we have to install properly into our computer system, which provides a graphical user interface. Because why browser is a graphical user interface? If you want to open a proper website into your browser, the page contains piece of text and piece of videos and piece of images, etc. So everything is appeared buttons format and everything is appeared text boxes format. So this kind of approach in computer is called graphical user interface. This is simply GUI, graphical user interface, so that the user can navigate the internet easily by clicking on menus, icons or buttons. For example, if you want to see a proper website in the browser, so the proper website or proper web page you have to save it into your computer system permanently. So if you want to save the proper page into computer system, go to the file menu, under select the save. So this is the menu under the option. So these commands are helps to navigate your web browser very easily. That's why all the web browsers nowadays in computer system are graphical user interface. We can operate them very easily. So it is the most essential tool for accessing the internet, absolutely, because I am saying already, without browser we can't possible to access any of the information into our computer system. That's why this is the essential software application to accessing any of the information from internet. So through a web browser one can browse, we can access any of the information, or search, we can search anything in the internet and collect information from the World Wide Web. We can access and we can store them into our computer system permanently also. These all are the special features offered by every web browser in computer system. Let us discuss about types of browsers. So I think there are so many different type of browsers are in computers and internet, especially, right? Basically there are 7 different of browsers are present, but we know only 2 or 3. How many browsers you know? I am asking a question. Just students are saying only 2 or 3 browsers. Maximum have to say about Google Chrome. This is Chrome is a common used browser in computers and in mobile phones also. So in mobile phones also we can access any information from net. We use a Chrome. Our other alternative is called a UC browser. UC browser is also a mobile platform browser, but in computers especially 7 different type of browsers are present, and each and every browser can perform a different action, and every browser can perform a special action in your computer system. Let us discuss about types of browsers. The first type of browser in a computer system is called Google Chrome. or simply called Chrome also. So Chrome or Google Chrome, this is the type of browser. It is very frequently used browser nowadays in computer, either in mobile phones also. Okay, but actually this Chrome, not only that Chrome, if you want to use any of the application software in computer system, the proper application software is designed a particular company. So no company, the proper application software is not coming into your computer system. You know, for example, Office is the name of the application software. But basically this Office software is implemented or designed, the name of the corporation is Microsoft. That's why it's called MS Office. At the same time, another very popular software in the computer is called Photoshop. Basically, you know, Photoshop, what action can do, we can edit photographs or cropping images or change the resolutions or change the background, etc., etc. Everything we can done easily using with photographs. But actually this Photoshop software can be manufactured by Adobe company. That's why it's called Adobe Photoshop. So in case of a browser, a proper browser is used in your computer system, the browser is manufactured or designed by one proper company. So that's why Chrome is the name of the software, is a browser, but the Chrome software is manufactured or designed, the name of the corporation is called Google. That's why it's called Google Chrome. So Google Chrome or whatever may be Chrome, everything is okay, but this is the most widely used browser nowadays in computers. But basically this Google Chrome browser is officially launched in the year of 2008. Google officially launched this browser in the year of 2008. So Google Chrome is a very popular browser. Why popular? Google Chrome is a browser is in internet. Why is it so much popular? Because this is the one and only browser we can possible to access anything in World Wide Web. Anything mean, if you want to view the sports information in your computer system, just we use the Chrome to open or display automatically updated information about sports. For example, this is the season of IPL. So in this time, if you want to start a match in Dubai, then automatically if you want to open a Chrome, it will show without asking you, it will automatically generate the score updations commonly. So not only that sports, any popular information about the society or about the world, about the movies, about the e-commerce, whatever may be, any updates are coming into an internet, the updates are immediately shown automatically shown in this browser. So that's why Google Chrome is a very popular browser. You don't ask anything in the time of opening a browser. You don't ask anything, it will show all updates, automatically displays in this browser. That's why Google Chrome is most widely used browser. Approximately 90% of people in the world, most commonly used browser in your computer system is a Google Chrome. So that's why Chrome is a very popular. And another important advantage of Google Chrome is this Chrome browser is operating is a graphical user interface. That means there are so many different type of menus are present and so many of them options are present, and if you want to visit one proper site frequently, the proper site you have to be copied into the taskbar also. If you want to copy the proper website address on the taskbar, you don't type again and again on the address bar. If you just click the proper website address on the taskbar, the website is automatically loaded in the Chrome. So these are the most very popular things about Google Chrome. It's very widely used internet browser nowadays in computer system. This is the first one. And the second browser is Microsoft Internet Explorer. This is the another top web browser in computer system. Microsoft, actually we know the name of the company. Previously I said to Office software. Not only that Office, if you run computer smoothly, efficiently, we need an operating system simply called OS. So the default operating system in your computer system is also Microsoft Windows. Microsoft can release so many of application softwares and so many operating systems and so many different of things. But in this category, Microsoft is also launched a proper web browser name is called Internet Explorer. The Internet Explorer sometimes is also called IE. Is called IE. Initially, Internet Explorer is introduced in the year of 1997. This is almost the very first web browser in a computer industry. Why? Generally, Google Chrome is a mostly widely used browser. Is it okay? But Microsoft Internet Explorer is occupy the second place to use common browser in the world. So, you know the difference between these two is Microsoft Internet Explorer you didn't install into your computer system. You didn't install. Then if you want to load or install a proper operating system into your computer system, then this browser displays or load automatically and show them an icon on the desktop. అంటే ఏమవుతుందంటే ఒకసారి మనం కంప్యూటర్లో ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్ని ఇన్స్టాల్ చేస్తే వితౌట్ ప్రాపర్ బ్రౌజర్ ఇన్స్టాలేషన్ ద ఇంటర్నెట్ ఎక్స్ప్లోరర్ ఈజ్ ఆటోమేటిక్లీ డిస్ప్లే ఆన్ ద డెస్క్టాప్ ఆల్సో. Why? Because this product is also from Microsoft. So if you want to load an operating system into computer system, so this software is also be displayed without proper installation. But Google Chrome not that. If you need this proper web browser, definitely you have to go and install them into your computer system. If you install, the software is loaded. But without installation, the software is automatically enter into the computers. So this is a Microsoft Internet Explorer, and Google Chrome and Microsoft Internet Explorer both are the similar properties. The similarity means Google Chrome is also a graphical user interface, like so many different of menus and different of options and different of text boxes available. Like this, Microsoft Internet Explorer also contain the same property, but the major difference is Microsoft Internet Explorer is mainly used for update the society news in this browser. That means any of the political news or any of the natural calamities news or any of the general issues, it will shows them very speedily into this browser. But Google Chrome, any information can access them very easily. But especially Microsoft Internet Explorer is doing just to find out any of the updated news in the society. If you want to see the updated news in the society, proper persons are used only Microsoft Explorer, because this is the browser to update each and every issue in a public. So that's why this is also a popular browser nowadays. And the third browser in the computer system is Firefox. Actually is called Mozilla Firefox. So basically this is very less people to use. Mozilla Firefox is also a most popular. ఎప్పుడంటే once the Google Chrome is entered, then automatically Mozilla Firefox uses is calmed down. Automatically ఏమైందంటే then have used to people are very decreased. So once upon a time Mozilla Firefox also is a wonderful browser in internet, but actually this browser is initially launched in the year of 2002. So before Chrome కన్నా ముందే Mozilla Firefox introduce చేశారు in 2002 actually. So actually in this, Firefox is the name of the browser, that is the name of the software, and Mozilla is the name of the company. Mozilla is introduced this software, that's why Mozilla Firefox is introduced in the year of 2002. So Internet Explorer after, the popular browser in the computer system is a Mozilla Firefox. But every browser have a specific importance. The importance mean, I am saying already, Microsoft Internet Explorer is mainly used for people to watch news in the society. So every news is automatically updated and very speed to generate news in Microsoft Internet Explorer. But Mozilla Firefox purpose is, if you watch a proper video in online, sometime if you want to watch videos in online, what happen, the streaming is down low. Streaming mean so 1 hour video have to be seen continuously, 15 minutes video is generated. After that remaining video we will be download to take some circle is coming. Actually the circles processing is called a streaming. But if you want to open a Mozilla Firefox in your computer system, without buffer streaming, we can watch videos continuously without downloading and without time waste process. అంటే ఏంటంటే స్ట్రీమింగ్ అనేది లేకుండా we can continuously watch any of the videos in the Mozilla Firefox. That's why Mozilla Firefox is a popular browser to watch all them videos without streaming. Okay, this is our third browser. And the fourth browser in the computer system is Safari browser, but it's called Apple Safari. Apple Safari. Basically, we don't know this kind of browser is available in mobile phones and computers. Why? You know, generally the world's costest mobile phone is actually Apple. Nowadays the Apple range is also calmed down, and OnePlus it will be increased. Anyway, so iPhones actually is a different platforms, and different platform mean the operating is a little bit difficult. Why? Because the proper operating system is different in iPhone. The iPhone operating system is actually Apple. Apple is the name of the company actually. So the Apple Safari originally introduced in the year of 2003. Okay, basically this is iPhone browser, the very first in the year of 2003 iPhone browser, especially iPhone, Apple phones antam kada, iPhone browsers lo proper Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Internet Explorer, these kind of browsers are not working because Apple is the top brand, that is in electronically top brand. So Apple Safari we have used a separate operating system in computer, that is Macintosh, simply called Mac OS. If you want to maintain a Mac operating system into your mobile phones or in your computer system, the Apple Safari is the default browser by the users. So indaka em cheppanante, if you want to maintain Microsoft Windows is a operating system, then the user use the default browser is Internet Explorer. But you are using an Apple computer or you are using an iPhone. So if you want to use an Apple computer or using an iPhone, then user can access the information through net using with the Safari browser. So Safari is the own product of Apple company. So this browser we cannot possible to run in other computers or on other mobiles because our mobiles are the Androids. Okay, but Safari is a separate brand. Okay, it will be launched in the year of 2003. It is used in only for iPhones or in Apple computers. This is very branded computers only. Okay, Apple. Later in 2014 the Apple Safari is a public domain. Public domain mean we can grant permission to load into other operating system also, like we can possible to install them in Microsoft also, and we can possible to install them in Android mobile phones also. But people are not using this kind of browser. Why? Because this browser is occupy huge amount of memory in mobile phones. Absolutely, this is the major drawback of Apple Safari. Okay, basically if you want to install a proper software and computer system, what happening, first you have to identify how much memory this software is occupied, right? In case some of the applications is doing little bit actions but are occupying huge amount of memory. So this is the major drawback, because Google Chrome approximately occupy 4.3 MB memory in your mobile phone, but Apple Safari approximately occupy 450 MB. That is a lot of difference. So that's why Apple Safari kind of browser we can't use any of them persons in mobile phones and computers also, because the reason it occupies a huge amount of memory. Okay, that's why Apple Safari is also a browser, but especially used in only for iPhones and Apple computers. And the next one is called Opera. Opera is the name of the browser is Opera, and this browser is initiated company name is also Opera. That's why no more other names before the browser name, because Internet Explorer before Microsoft is appear, Chrome before Google is appear, Firefox before Mozilla is appear, but Opera is a name of the company is also Opera, and the name of the browser is also Opera, that is called simply is a Opera browser. But basically you know this browser because Opera browser is mostly used in mobile phones. It's like a browser in the mobile phones. But Opera is a powerful browser in a computer system, but actually this browser is introduced in the year of 1995. But it's not popular browser. Why? Because why Opera is a not popular browser? If you want to access any information through networking, either a movie information, either a political information, either a sports information, you have to access any of them the information, we can generate the data very slowly. It not to produce much speedily. So we cannot produce information much speedily. We don't use this kind of browsers in mobile phones also, especially if you want to play a game in IPL, then the score is automatically updated within 2 or 3 balls. But if you want to see this same score in Opera browser, it will update it 2 hours after only. So this is very slow browser in internet. That's why we didn't use this kind of Opera browser in mobile platforms. Okay, and sixth browser is UC. In mobile phones, maximum internet we use it for downloading, especially movies or downloading songs. In the time of downloading, the downloading net speed is too much slow, the downloading speed is also low down. ఏమవుతుందంటే చాలా స్లోగా downloading to take lot of time. But if you want to use UC browser, the downloading come down very fast. That's why especially mobile platforms, mobile users, we use the UC browser to download very fastly into your internal memory, like a video or like a song, anything we can possible to download very speedily. Okay, that's why UC browser is used in mobile phones. But later this UC browser nowadays we can use in computers also. But basically what happening, you know, once the user can interact with one type of browser, we cannot change them. ఒకసారి ఒక బ్రౌజర్కి అలవాటు పడితే ఏమవుతుందంటే ఇంకా సో మెనీ బ్రౌజర్స్ ఆర్ కమింగ్ ఇంటూ ఎన్ మార్కెట్ ఈజ్ నాట్ టు డిపెండెంట్. అతను ఏం చేస్తాడంటే డిపెండ్ అవ్వడు. సో మోస్ట్లీ ఇందాక చెప్పినట్టు 90% ఆఫ్ యూజర్స్ ఇస్ టోటలీ డిపెండ్ ఆన్ ద క్రోమ్ ఓన్లీ. But these all are the browsers are available, but every time we have to use Chrome because this is the very standard. And first of all, Chrome main advantage is don't copy the virus into your computer system majorly. You know how much dangerous virus, how much dangerous in virus in your computer system we did discuss in last class. But Chrome major advantage is also don't possible to copy any of them virus into your computer system. We can protect very safely. But remaining all browsers, the protection level is little bit difficult. In case a new virus is coming into your computer system, the browsers are not recognized and copy them into your computer. Okay, but Chrome every day is updated automatically. That's why if your new virus is entered into your computer system, immediately can stop them this. That's why Chrome is very popular. And that the last browser in computers world is Netscape. Netscape Navigator. You know, Netscape Navigator is the first browser in the computer industry. You know, the first browser, because Microsoft Internet Explorer also introduced in 1997. That before Opera is there, but originally Netscape Navigator is introduced in the year of 1986. This is the world's first browser. So because this browser is not used very properly, why? Netscape Navigator is the CUI phase. CUI mean command user interface. You know, command user interface mean information is not appeared graphical format. For example, I'm saying Google Chrome is show everything, like text will be shown on the page. In case image is present, image is display. In case video is present, if you want to click the video is telecast. But Netscape Navigator is always shown only the text matter of the page. text information is appear. In case any of the image or any of the video is present on the web page, the image or video is not displayed in this browser. Kanabadadu adi chupinchadu. That's why this is called CUI, command user interface. This is very limited version of a browser in very older days, because it introduced in 1986. Because this is the starting browser. The very past days, no more videos, no more images, everything have to be appeared in only for text format. So our రోజుల్లో past days లో this browser is very grateful day. But once the updations will come into the computer industry, totally the browser is forgotten. This browser is forgotten. So if you want to search, if you want to install them, this browser is not available in the computer servers also. We cannot possible to install them also. But we know about the information, but we can't possible to install because this browser is totally removed in the computer industry. Okay, so these all are the different type of browsers, and every browser is introduced with company and what's purpose to use this browser, and what action can do, and how to run and how to copy them, to discuss in this session. Okay, thank you. Pass it. Okay, so previous type of browsers to complete our unit 1. In unit 1 total 6 questions are covered, and most expected are the 4 questions, and unit wise important questions I will give end of the session, that means totally end of the session. So now we have entered into the unit 2. So this is the second unit in internet fundamentals and web tools. Unit 2 title is internet application. So in this unit we learn about 4 different topics. Vaatilo the first topic is uses and applications of IE. IE is the full form of Internet Explorer. So internet applications, application mean, previously I am saying, if you want to access the information from internet or World Wide Web, we need to depends on a browser. You know, browser is an essential tool to access the information from World Wide Web, right? So without a browser, we cannot possible to access any of the internet information into your computer or into your mobile phones also, right or not? For example, if you want to find out the result in computer system or mobile phones, definitely you want to open either a Chrome or either a UC, whatever may be, proper browser is need to install into your mobile phones. By default, if you want to purchase a new mobile, then without proper installation, Google Chrome browser is automatically set there in your mobile phones. At the same time, Google Chrome is the default browser in your mobile phones, and Internet Explorer is the default browser in computer system. So previously I said also, so Internet Explorer you didn't install anything, then the operating system is loaded into your computer system, then it will show automatically a desktop icon is my Internet Explorer. If you want to use Google Chrome, you need to install them. Okay, so Google Chrome is a better, but frequently we used browser also Internet Explorer. Okay, let us discuss what is Internet Explorer. Internet Explorer was one of the most widely used web browser, absolutely. So Google Chrome nowadays is popular, but actually Google Chrome is introducing in the year of 2008. But before 2008, which browser is too much popular? Which browser is too much popular? That is the Internet Explorer, because Internet Explorer is introduced in the year of 1997. So why Internet Explorer is introduced in 1997? Because the reason, in the time of internet is also started the evolution. Internet is starting evolution, and internet can wide range of information to be shown in World Wide Web. It will show the test information, we can possible to view the images, we can possible to watch videos, everything is possible. That's why in 1997 Microsoft is officially introduced Internet Explorer. Later there are so many different type of browsers are coming in industry, but Google Chrome before popular browser in the world is the Internet Explorer. That's why how to discuss Internet Explorer. So Internet Explorer was one of the most widely used web browsers, achieving a peak of about 95% uses shared by 2003. Absolutely, 90, not 90%, 95% we used only Internet Explorer till 2003 also, because 2003 after there are so many different new browsers that will come like Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome, whatever may be. But before 2003, peak of the moment, 95% are used only the Internet Explorer. Is a very popular browser in a computer industry. And Internet Explorer was for many years the default web browsers for the Microsoft Windows family of operating system. That I am saying, okay, this is the family member of the Windows. That's why Microsoft Internet Explorer is the default web browser in Microsoft Windows. So Microsoft has discontinued Internet Explorer but continues to maintain it. Okay, for example, sometime automatically Microsoft can stop the updates of Internet Explorer, didn't give more updates of Internet. Aina kuda users can use Internet Explorer only. That's why it's popular. So Microsoft Edge replaced IE as in the Windows default browser beginning with Windows 10. Later, this Microsoft Windows Explorer can change the names to Microsoft Edge. Nowadays, there are new platforms are coming in Microsoft Windows 10 or Windows 7, whatever may be. So in Windows 10, Microsoft Internet Explorer is not available. In this replace Microsoft Edge. But Internet Explorer still ships on all Windows system and still a popular browser. It's a very popular browser nowadays in computers. Let us. What are the uses of Internet Explorer? Why use Internet Explorer in your computer system? There was any better advantages or better benefits are present? Yes, is there better benefits? The first one is Internet browsing software manufactured by Microsoft Corporation and included on computers with their Windows operating system. So if you want to install a Windows operating system in your computer system, it automatically proper icon is displayed on the desktop is IE. And this software allows users to view and navigate web pages on the internet. Absolutely. So navigate mean browse. We can access or search anything in the internet. Internet Explorer is the mostly widely used web browsers in the world, right? It's more 90% of users use only this browser nowadays also. And what are the applications? Applications mean what kind of information we can access them in internet using with browser. Okay, let us we discuss. The internet is treated as one of the biggest invention in the computer system. Absolutely, without internet we can't imagine our computer system nowadays also. It has a large number of uses. What are the uses? One, for we use this browser for communication purpose. Communication mean we can send mails, we can send messages from one computer to another computer, that is like a communication. So communication purpose we use internet browser. And the second one is called job searches. Job searches mean if you were UG or PG is completed, you didn't get any job in your location, but don't know where our job is located and in which different places my qualified job is, what is it. So if you want to search a job using with Internet Explorer, we can find them also. Okay, like Naukri.com. There are so many of websites that provide jobs in online. Okay, we can possible to search jobs in Internet Explorer also. And finding books and study material. Absolutely, this is very useful for students and learners. Using with Internet Explorer, we can possible to download any of the book or any of the journal or any of the information also. Okay, some of the books is not available in our location, in our city. Okay, but we can possible to download, sometime the book will be downloaded with free, sometime have to pay some amount also. But anything we can possible to find out books using with Internet Explorer. And the another application, health and medicine. So the proper medicine is not to find out in our nearby medical shop. We can possible to find out where our medical will be buy. Should be the medicine will be available in any other different location. We can possible to access them this medicine also. So that's why we use medical, health and medical also in application. And another one is traveling. So nowadays, if you want to travel from one location to another location, if you want to buy a ticket in online only, So didn't go to the station and not put in a queue. Simply we have to set a particular train or bus or aeroplane, whatever may be. So the proper every information, the departure time, in and out, everything is appear very clearly. If you need to select the seat and pay the amount in online. So travel facility is also offered by Internet Explorer. And mostly used application is entertainment. Entertainment mean we can possible to view new movies in internet, and we can possible to download them also, and we watch latest trailers and promos and updated information also we can possible using with internet application. And another important one is the online shopping. We can purchase anything, not only that purchase, if you need to sales also, okay, using with the proper application software to download them in browser, we can possible to shopping done in a browser also. And stock market updates, absolutely, if you want to buy more money in home, then it's just small money to invest in business, we can acquire much money using with the stock market. So every day and every hour stock market updates have to be know in our computer system also. And research mean if you want to find out a new product, or if you want to introduce a new thing into society, we use the research application also. And business use of internet. So businesses use of internet is different ways by which internet can be used for businesses are like information about the product can be provided online to the customer. We have to, if you want to purchase one particular product, you just first you know about the reviews. So the reviews is posted by the customer, the review is good or bad. It is helpful for the better product. And provide market information to the business and which product is majorly used by customers. And it helps business to recruit talented people in case if you need a job to recruit talented people using with the business. So help in locating suppliers of the product. If you want to deliver a particular product to the customer, we need to know using with the Google map to find out the supplier address. And fast information recording customer reviews, and we can send the feedback about the product and eliminate middleman. So intermediary person is no need to purchase anything in internet. And providing information to the investor by providing company's background and financial information on the website. So mean how many members are to buy this product, and what are the review of this product, and which company is offered this product, and what about the background of the company. So everything we can available on the internet. That's why, so business use of internet is also major application in the internet application. So these all are the various applications. What are maybe which application we have to use in Internet Explorer, as per interest we can use this application. Okay, thank you.